everybody, welcome back to my channel. Of course you know this is Tiffany here with Tifforia, and I am in a totally different background. I got a good tropical vibe going on. We are on, well, my family and I are on just like a little weekend getaway. Actually it's for my husband and my daughter's birthday. This is their birthday weekend. So we decided to come hang out at the beach. Here's a view of it just for you. So I wanted to do a quick video about these amazing faux locks, faux dread, whatever you want to call them. I just wanted to come and do a quick video because originally I was not going to do a video. However, you guys are awesome. You guys have been giving me a lot of compliments and a lot of great feedback regarding these locks or whatever. So I was like, well, let me do a video then. So that's what I'm doing because I love you guys and I value your opinion and I want to make sure I give you guys what you want. The hair is called New LOCS by Bobby Boss, and to me they look the most natural. A lot of the crochet locks out there, they are so uniformed and like everyone looks the same, but these all look different. I hope you guys can see these pretty good. I'm on my laptop recording instead of on my phone. So as you can see, they look like natural dreads. People have been saying that they look like my hair. So here is some pieces I had left over. And as you can see, they all have different form or shape right here. So they are Bobby Boss New LOCS 18 inches. I believe they were $5.99 or $6.99 a pack. I got it from Glamourtress.com. You can get it from Glamourtress, Elevate Styles, and I believe they're also on Sam's Beauty. And I want to say Sam's Beauty is the cheapest. However, they did not have the colors that I wanted, so I had to go over to Glamourtress. So I used a 1B, and then this kind of like brownish color right here. It's the 1B mixed with 30. So I already decided I did not want them full because I don't look right with a whole lot of hair on my head. So what I did, I went and seen how much hair comes in one pack, which is 21. So I got 3 packs. And the only reason why I had hair left over is because of course you're not going to use all of the highlight hair. So that hair is what was left over. But I did use all of the 1B packet to do this. And so that was what? 63 individual little thingies. So I only did about, I have 4 sections. I sectioned my hair into 4, and I did like 20 in the back and like 20 whatever up here. So I have about 41 individual braids in my hair. So these are crocheted. However, my hair is not cornrowed. You see how like nappy that looks? That's the good thing. Like the parts ain't got to be perfect. Okay, your parts ain't got to be perfect. And I mean, they're dreads, like they're supposed to look just a little rugged. So they are individual. My hair is not cornrowed. And last but not least, these things are so great. You just pop it off. Just put the icing on the cake with some little hair accessories. So my husband actually took these out, and he got these little things. And where's the other one? Like a little, oh, here it is, right here. And here's the other one. It has like a little seashell at the end. Only thing I didn't like about these is, see how it gets stuck on the hair and it kind of like snags the hair. But that's the only thing. And you can see right here where like the hair is snagging right there. But I'll just go in and cut those pieces out. So yeah guys, that's about it. I love these things. I've had them for about a week and a half now. So yeah, they're hanging on in there. So I'll probably take them out probably next week after our trip is over, I did them just for this trip. So I just wanted something different, and I really like how they came out, and I love the feedback that you guys are giving me on these vlogs. I'm so sorry I didn't like do the steps for you guys, but I really honestly did not feel like I was doing, like, I was like, oh heck no, these things are coming out, you know what I'm saying? But you know, they really did come out good. I really did not expect them to come out this good. When I seen it, I was like, oh, this is easy, I'm gonna do this. And while it was easy to do, at the same time it was frustrating because you have to kind of like fit your hair down in the individual piece. So each thing has a loop, and the loop is up here. I don't know if you guys can really see that good, but as you can see, like, I'm tearing it up already just trying to get to the loop. And that was like one of the most frustrating things. However, once you get in there and then like unravel the hair, you kind of just stick your individual and then hair in there and then just let it ravel back up, if that makes sense. But like I said, there's a ton of videos how to do it with this specific hair online on YouTube. So let YouTube University guide you. Anyways, guys, I'm out of here. Bye. See you on the next video. Thanks for your continued support. We're almost at 1,000 on Facebook. Like us on Facebook so I can reach 1,000. Come on.